How do touchless car washes work? Touchless car washes are designed to apply a special cleaning chemical product, followed by a high-pressure, low-volume water spray, to achieve the highest quality wash finish. Touchless machines don't use brushes or cloths to wash the vehicle. Instead, water jets are directed at the car's surface from different angles and distances. The latest touchless machines rely on state-of-the-art sensors and computerized control systems to adapt the cleaning process to the size and shape of each vehicle. Goodsite Australia has a range of touchless car wash machines in both overhead and gantry style, both of which use powerful, advanced flow concepts and engineered spray pattern designs to produce superior wash quality. For more information on touchless vehicle washes, contact our specialist team. Goodsite Australia, leading car wash equipment suppliers and installers. Visit goodsite.com.au.